Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Wish Infinite. In this video, I am going to talk about Jetbrains IntelliJ IDEA. So, are you ready to level up your coding experience? Let me introduce you to a tool that will completely change how you write Java code. Jetbrains IntelliJ IDEA. And stay tuned because I have an exciting announcement about a free subscription offer at the end. This video is made in collaboration with JetBrains to share their amazing tool IntelliJ IDEA with you. I am thrilled to show you why it's my go-to choice for Java. So let's start. IntelliJ IDEA is not just an IDE, it's your coding partner. Here are few reasons why I absolutely love using IntelliJ IDEA for Java. 1. Smart code completion. It understands your code and provides accurate suggestions as you type. No more guessing what comes next, just pure productivity. So let's take example of this simple system.out.println statement. This line is used to print any value into the terminal. And for that, let's start typing capital S and see automatically you would be able to see suggestions. So here, as I want to use system, so I can directly hit enter. After that, we need to put dot, and as soon as we put dot, we would be able to see next suggestion. So here we want to use out, so here I can select it. After that, again dot, and then we are able to see these print statement as suggestion. We can select desired option and our code is ready to use. And like this, for each and every code, you will be getting accurate suggestions. Then we have built-in debugging tool. Debugging in IntelliJ is a breeze. You can set breakpoints, inspect variables, and solve issues faster than ever. Let me show you one practical example. So here I have created one sample class, and inside it we have one main method where we have variable A with value 20, variable B with value 30, and inside the variable C we are simply saving addition of A and B, and then with the help of print statement we are printing value of C. Now let me put one debug point at line number 5. So here I can simply click onto this number 5 and it will put a debug point like this, and now I can execute my script into debug mode. And for that I can click onto this run icon and select this debug option. And as soon as you click onto the debug, it will start the execution, and once the execution comes on this line, which is line number 5 here, it will pause the execution. And see, automatically it is showing the value of variable A and variable B. And you can use other options of the debugger tool like step over, step in, step out, and many other options. Let me step over here and see the value of C is also appearing. You can also resume the execution at any point. IntelliJ IDEA has powerful refactoring features. With just a few clicks, you can rename variables, move methods, or restructure your code without worrying about breaking anything. Let me give you very basic example. So let's say at any point I feel I need to rename this particular Java file, and this class name should also be the same name as this Java file name. So here I can right click and then click onto this rename. Here I can change the name. Let's add sample IntelliJ class, and here I can click onto the refactor and see the Java file name as well as this class name got changed. Similarly, we can also rename variables. So let's rename this variable A. So right click, rename, and let's change its name to A var. Hit enter and see its name got changed at both the places where we were using this particular variable. And like this, you can use refactoring features of IntelliJ IDEA. Next, IntelliJ IDEA comes with built-in support for Git, making it super simple to manage your code base and collaborate with your team. So here you will get a separate support for the Git, and from here you can perform any Git operation like adding or committing a file, pushing the code, pulling the code, and any other Git option at your fingertip. So these are some very basic features of IntelliJ IDEA, and like this, it has so many features which you will definitely love. Now, here is the exciting part. Jetbrains is offering free 3 months subscription to IntelliJ IDEA or any other Jetbrains product. Yes, you can explore all these incredible features absolutely free for 3 months. All you need to do is to go to this particular link, which is jetbrains.com/store/redeem. I will provide this link into description of my video also, and here you need to enter my promo code, which is wish infinite. So like this, you can enter the promo code, and then you need to fill your details like first name, last name, email address, your country, and now you can select the desired product for which you need 3 months subscription. Like for the IntelliJ IDEA, you can select this IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate if you are using Java, or Selenium for automation testing. Apart from that, JetBrains have so many tools which you can use. Like you can use PyCharm if you are a Python developer. You can use WebStorm for JavaScript and TypeScript, and accordingly you can select any one of the tool to get 3 months free subscription. Once you select the tool and fill the complete form, you can click onto the redeem, and once you click onto this redeem, you will receive one mail with the activation link and with the further instruction to use your 3 months subscription. If you get stuck anywhere, you can let me know into the comment section below. I would be able to help you. And that's it for this particular video. You can click onto this first card to go to the next video. You can click onto this second card to access the whole Java tutorial playlist, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. If you have any comments, questions or doubts, you can let me know into the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day.